Hello everyone. So today, I'm tasked to discuss and make a user inputted program integrating two sorting algorithm, namely selection and merge. So, convert the given code to user input and discuss each program. So, this is our sample output. So the user will enter the size of the array. In this instance, it is 5. Then the user will um, the program will take the 5 will ask the user to insert the array size, which is 5, that is inputted by the user, and will ask the user to input 5 different elements. Then after that, it will display the elements here above, and the next one, it will sort the elements using the selection sort, and the other one is the sorted element using merge sort. So to proceed, okay, so to proceed, let's discuss the first line of code. What is import Java util scanner here? First, we're going to add an import for utility package used for obtaining the input like primitive types like integer, double, etc. and string. So you need to import a Java utility scanner for the public scanner to work. So the next is public class soar algo. It is the name of the public class which is soar algo. The next is the public static scanner. SC equals new scanner system.in. So this is a scanner class that allows the users to take input from the console system in and is passed as a parameter in the scanner class. So next one, this is the public static void main string args, which is our main method of our menu based program. So next one is int n. So it is an initialization of the variable type integer, which is equals to n. So this particular code here will ask the users to input any data. In this case, it is asking for an array size. So we're gonna run the program. As you can see here, it is asking to the user to prompt the size of the array. Using this code, it is possible to ask the user. So we're gonna put just like the example here, we're gonna follow. We're gonna put 5. So this line of code will instantiate the variable a. So let's proceed to this line of code here. So this line of code will ask the user to to put the number of the elements. It also depends on the array size inputted of the user. So as you can see here, the user input the user or me inputted the array size, which is 5. So as you can see here, I'm using this variable n, which is the value of the n is 5. So it will ask the user to input 5 elements. So it depends on the array size inputted by the user. So our array size is 5. So we're gonna put 23895. 2 3 8 9 and 5. So as demonstrated here, so the program asks the users to input the 5 elements. So this line of code here, this line of code will display all the unsorted elements. It's just gonna copy the first here. It's just gonna display the elements inputted by the user. and the elements before sorting. So this line of code will display the unsorted elements. So following, let's proceed to this line of code. Here. So this line of code will display all the unsorted elements but is sorted using a selection sort method. So as you can see here, um, using the selection sort method, the unsorted elements is sorted using the selection, as previously discussed by Sir M. Selection method is different from merge sort method. So the next one is elements using merge sort method here. So this line of code will display all the unsorted elements by using the sorted merge sort method. So as you can see here, the result is the same, but the difference here is selection and merge sort is different. It is a different type of method, sort method. So as you can see here, the underneath, this code will only call the method, but this is the selection sort method. So this line of code is a selection sort method. This will be called above when the following code will be performed. And so this is our code for our selection sort method. So the next one is this is the merge sort method. So this line of code is the merge sort method, and this will be called when the following code will be performed. So this will fill the left and right array, and this code will maintain the current index of the subarrays and the main array. So until we reach either end or either LM, we pick the larger among the elements LM and place them in a correct position at A, P, R for sorting in descending. So if Li is used, this code will be used. So when we run out of elements in either L or M, we pick the remaining elements to put in A, P, and R. So this line of code will divide the array into two subarrays, sort them, and merge them. So M is the point where array is divided into subarrays. So it is a recursive call to each subarrays, and merge sort subarrays. So compared to the selection sort, merge sort is more complicated than selection sort, because it will divide the elements by 2 and sort them. So for example, we're going to add 10. So 1, 2, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So as you can see here, it is the same. Enter the size first, as I previously discussed. So it will prompt the user to enter the size of the array, which is I will put 10, and we enter the unsorted elements, which is here 9, 8, 7. So it is unsorted. And the next one element is, it will display the unsorted elements. And the next one, it will use the selection sort method to sort the unsorted elements using selection sort. And it will use the selection, the next one, it will use the merge sort method here underneath. to this to display the merge sort. So the output is the same as selection sort method. For the purpose here is to sort the elements depending on the array size. So that is all about sorting algorithm.